Right, g'day everyone. Real weird video today. We're just going for a bit of a cruise today and taking photos as we go driving in the cruise here. So join us on this sort of peculiar vlog style video. So here on Panda Garage.
Hi!
We have Laura, my wife.
Yay!
I don't think you've ever been on camera before.
I think I have a couple of times.
I'm losing my voice. Alright, this is a great start. Okay, so it's now hailing. We are in Maroondah Dam, which is just past Healesville. Yeah, this day has stayed gloomy, but it's very cool because we're getting some cool photos and going for a drive, which is a bit different. I know on the channel, but we're just yeah, plodding along, having a good day. Thought I'd take you guys along for the trip. It's not too much, but this is good there. So it's all lily pads. That's the Maroondah Dam. There it is, Revels Falls. It's Revels Dribble, more like it. That's terrible. But it is the dribble. It's not great. Looks cool. Background looks great. You can walk all the way up. There's like a trail up the top, and the dam has an overflow. It leads down here. So when it rains really hard, it actually all ends up here and it cascades down here. So it's a bit dry at the moment, but one day we might get to see it at full tilt. Okay, so we're leaving the dam now in the park. But what's very cool, I'm going to add the photo now, is that we actually, I put my hand down and picked up a lorikeet. So I was holding it in my hand, which was really neat. I remember doing that when I was a kid, when Kinglake used to do it with Rosellas though. So that was really neat. So we're going off to our next location. We don't know where that is yet.
No.
But we're going to have a good time driving there.
We sure are.
It's going to be fun. Okay, so we're at our last stop for the day. We're up at Kangaroo Ground Tower, which is this amazing sort of tower right behind me just here. It's from for the soldiers of World War I, and yeah, this is our last stop of the day. So I'll turn around. There's this Shire of Eltham Memorial, covers all world wars. But what makes this significant for me today is that I had like health issues a long time ago, and it was the first place I went after I started getting better. And one thing I could never do here was climb up this tower. So that's what I'm doing for the last little part of the video today. I know this is a bit different to our normal videos, but hopefully you enjoy these. If you like these sort of like sort of random videos chucked in here, let me know in the comments below. We're going up this spiral staircase. Very excited to be doing this because the view's amazing, and yeah, it's just good to be able to do something like this. Slowly getting there. Oh, I didn't think it was this high. I think it used to stop a bit further down. It's like covered up now because they use it for like the CFA and stuff, but here we are, and this is the view. Look at that. It's magnificent. It might get a little bit windier on this side. There's the city of Melbourne. There's views for miles. As you can see, it's got all that way, and this is all in miles, by the way. Just shows the age of the building. So this is really cool. Alright, I'm going to stop it here just because the GoPro's going flat, and also this is a great way to stop this video. So thank you all so much for watching today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like these sort of videos, let me know down below, of course. Remember to check us out on Facebook and Instagram, The Panda Garage, for all sort of your in-between video photos and all that sort of jazz. So give a like if you, to this video, subscribe if you haven't already. Sort of aiming by this time next year to have like 1,000 subscribers, so that'd be great. Sort of giving a big leeway on that. But if you haven't subscribed, or you got a mate that hasn't subscribed yet, tell them to get on, because we're making videos twice a week. So until next time, guys, my name's Matt, this is Panda Garage. Thank you all so much for joining me today, and I'll see you all next time.